Welcome to the little cottage in the woods. Today I'm planting potatoes. I'm getting the soil prepared, digging the holes, then placing potatoes. It is the third week of March, which is the perfect time to get potatoes set in the ground. As you can see, I also have garlic planted in this bed. I planted it last fall and now it's starting to grow. So potatoes and garlic make a great companion. Now to cover the bed with straw from my chicken coop, which will give it a nutrient top layer. This is a plum tree flower. Wild harvesting, purple dead nettle, violets, cleavers, and wild garlic chives. Thank you for watching.